Hi guys, new video. I just want to talk about some stuff on the valve cover because I just see all the time, like you probably saw in the videos before, we do look in several problems on the MX-5. We see issues when you boost them high, when you track them a lot, and we just see again problems filling up catch cans, blow by as hell, lifting heads, studs which are going worse. I will show you about that stuff a different video, but in this video I just want to talk about valve covers and how to grease them the right way, because I just saw a different company were making actually the same video, but I know from our time attack cars that this way will not work and a lot of boost. So what we saw actually is when you have the standard valve cover and you plug in here the retain to the catch can, and you plug in to this port the retain to the catch can. This works good around 0.8 bar of boost. Everything underneath is good, then you just can do it like this way. But when you go for more boost than around 0.8 to 1 bar, so everything around 280 horsepower, and special when you track the car, so when you use it on track, you really can see that your catch can is filling up really fast. This is what we actually saw, and we just wanted to get rid of it. So we made a lot of test runs and test fitments on our time attack cars, and we did all the time again work to it, and then we figured out that when you connect it to this point, this is actually the worst point, because you get something like overpressure on this side and you press the oil out of the engine into the catch can, so it just fills up really fastly, especially when you track the car hardly. So, and what we also saw, when you're running more than 1.5 bar of boost, this is actually too small to get all the blow-by out of the engine. So when you're running 450 horsepower, we see a lot of blow-by on the cars, which is normal, and we just see a lot of catch cans filling up. So what we did, we are leaving this part here. We just keep this one pretty standard, that it just breezes into this part. Then we make 8 holes in this side so that the air can went from this point to this point. We drop stainless steel material into it, that the oil is not going fast through it. There's a little bit, there's steel wool in these parts, so the oil cannot go through that easy. And then we have 2 dash ports on top of this side where it just can breeze it out into the catch can. And this way of conversion and this way of valve cover modding will absolutely perfectly work on track until 500 horsepower. When you're going more than 500 horsepower, this will be probably not big enough, so then you just probably need another one, a third one, and we probably have to make the hole on this side here bigger. But actually I do not know so many real 500 horsepower MX-5s. At the moment I just know 2. Probably we're building another 3, but yeah, a lot of people just tell they have 500 horsepower, but they do not have it. So yeah, this is what we are doing, and this will absolutely work 100% without any issues, and you will have no problems with filling up the catch can. All the other versions, when you just drop it here, drop it there, will not work. I just can tell you right away, because we just tried that a lot of times. So if you have any questions to the stuff what we are doing, to the stuff why we are doing it, drop it into the comments. I'm happy to help, or shoot me an email. What we actually have, we have all these valve covers in the shop. So we're using standard valve covers, get these 2 parts into it, and you just can buy it right off the shelf. We will make a video about how to build a BP engine, how we build them to different engine stages. And then I will also show how we seal these parts up. So this will be pretty technical. This is just a show up of the part. And yeah, we have it in the shop. You can buy it online. It's an exchange article, or if you cannot exchange when you're from the States or wherever, yeah, we just have some fees which are coming on top of it because we need we have to buy a valve cover new here in Germany. But yeah, when you're interested into it, just give me a question and I'm happy to help you. See you in the next video. Bye.